Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious ramen using an easy method. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 packet of instant ramen noodles, about 2.5 cups of water, and your choice of protein, perhaps some cooked chicken or a soft-boiled egg. Don't forget fresh vegetables like green onions or spinach, and key seasonings such as soy sauce and a dash of sesame oil to enhance the flavor. Now, let's get those noodles cooking perfectly. Begin by bringing 2.5 cups of water to a vigorous, rolling boil in a small saucepan. Once boiling, carefully add your instant ramen noodles. Cook them for precisely 2 minutes, stirring gently every now and then to ensure they don't stick together and cook evenly. This short cooking time helps maintain a pleasant, firm texture. This is where we truly elevate the flavor of your ramen. After the noodles are cooked, stir in the seasoning packet that came with your ramen. For an extra layer of umami, add about 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Now, incorporate your cooked protein, such as a perfectly soft-boiled egg or some thinly sliced chicken. Finish with a sprinkle of fresh chopped green onions and a small drizzle of fragrant sesame oil. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your culinary creation. Carefully transfer the steaming hot ramen into a large, deep bowl, ensuring you get all those delicious noodles and broth. Before digging in, taste the broth and adjust the saltiness if needed, perhaps with a tiny splash more soy sauce. Your delicious, easy-to-make ramen is now ready to be savored immediately while it's wonderfully warm. Enjoy every single slurp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.